Hello everyone, I welcome you all to the Infinity Vision platform. Right now I'll be doing one such question that came in your JMN examination. This question came on 31st August 2021 in shift 2. So let us see this question first. It is a statement based question and you have been given two statements out of which you can choose which statement is true or which statement is false. Okay, it says if three forces F1, F3, F1, F2 and F3 are represented by the three sides of a triangle and in such a way that F1 plus F2 is negative of F3, then these three forces are congruent forces and satisfy the condition for equilibrium. Okay, so it means if you have been given three forces, so let this be F1 and let this be F2, and resultant of these two, this vector is negative of F3 vectors. Okay, so the resultant of these two are negative of F3 vector. So that means negative of F3 vector means this F3 vector has to be in this particular direction. Okay, because the negative of this vector would be opposite, the magnitude would remain same but the direction would change. So obviously, so this is represented by, so these three forces, so F1, F2 and F3 would be the sides of these triangles in such a way that they will gonna cancel out each other. So that's why they would be in equilibrium. So you can easily say that these two forces F1 and F3 and F1, F2 and F3 will gonna cancel out each other and they must be in equilibrium, and also it can only be possible when they are coplanar. Okay, so if all these vectors are coplanar, then only they're going to cancel out each other. So that means this statement is also true. What about the second statement? It says a triangle made up of three sides F1, F3 and F1, F2 and F3 as its sides taken in the same order satisfy the condition for translatory equilibrium. Obviously, because in equilibrium condition also the net forces are 0. So in light of the above statement, choose the appropriate statement. So first option says statement 1 is false, which is not true. Statement 1 is true, which is true, but statement 2 is false. No, statement second is also true because it satisfies equilibrium condition and the net force in equilibrium condition is 0. Both statement 1 and statement 2 is false. No, both statement 1 and statement 2 is true. So this fourth option, in which both the statements are true, would be our correct option to choose from. Okay, I hope this question is clear to everyone. Thank you.